Here we are in Medical Taiwan. I'm your host Jeannie, and we will take you to see the latest development of the medical industry. So we are now at Coatsive, and standing next to me is Mr. Howard Zhao. Hi Howard.
Hi Jean.
So can you tell us a little bit about your company and your main products?
Sure. Coatsive is a comprehensive hot milk converting solution provider with 20 plus years of experiences in designing and manufacturing hot milk coating and lamination equipment. Coatsive hot milk equipment are designed and built in Taiwan and have been widely used in medical products such as hydrocolloid dressing, medical patches, medical tapes, and clothes-like product.
So Howard, why choose hot melt adhesive? Is it a better choice?
Yes. Hot milk does not contain any solvent and is not prone to allergic reaction when it's in contact with human skin. It is used in medical materials and is suitable for sensitive groups, such as medical tapes for infants and young children.
So hot melt adhesive is suitable for use in medical products. Besides this, what's so special about hot melt adhesives?
Hot milk is 100% solid adhesive. It has the advantage of non-toxic and solvent-free. During processing of traditional solvent-based product, volatile compounds can be dispersed in the atmosphere. These toxic substances have had impact on human health for decades, and the damage to the environment and ecology cannot be underestimated. The solvent-based product also require coating lines with long drying oven, which is less energy efficient compared to hot milk coating. Producer can achieve higher production speed with shorter coating lines when switching from solvent-based to hot milk-based product.
So it is an environmentally friendly choice for producers and users.
Yes.
So can you tell us a little bit more about these sample products?
Sure. The hydrocolloid dressing products, such as wound dressing, acne pads, and scar care dressing, are usually mixed with CNC water-absorbing molecules in order to effectively absorb the tissue fluid extra from the wound and keep the wound moist to speed up recovery. Here you go.
So should I try? Can
Sure.
you try it on me?
Sure.
It actually feels very comfortable, just like my own skin.
Yeah. However, the special adhesive have high viscosity and can easily clog the dispensing system. Coatsive solution can prevent the system from clogging and from producing defective product through a special slot die flow channel design and correct filter selection.
So besides these dressings, is there any other application that utilizes the hot melt coating?
Yes. Another example is the clothes-like material used in surgical gowns to protect medical staff against COVID-19. Clothes-like material is highly breathable and requires porous coating. Coatsive uses innovative porous slot die technology to dispense thin, breathable hot melt adhesive to non-women. From material coating to final product packaging, Coatsive ensures customers to understand the manufacturing process of medical products in a short time and can quickly turn ideas into production.
It's so wonderful to understand that these equipment can effectively produce medical products that are friendly to the environment and people. If you will have more information, please contact Coatsive. Thank you so much, Howard, for your time.
Thank you so much, Jing.